So I'll you. How was your Christmas? Well, mine was amazing. Was yours amazing? I had cookies and cakes. Did you guys have one? Okay. So let's get started. Don't just learn to code. Learn to create. Hello everyone. My name is Satvik Bindal and today I'm going to talk about coding. I'm from Pathways World School Aravali, grade 8. It is a boarding school. What is coding? It is a programming language. Some set of commands and some instructions are given to the software to build or design something. My coding experience. I was scrolling through Facebook and I saw this advertisement of White Hat Junior. It was really interesting and attractive. It caught my attention. On the very first day, I joined it. It was really nice, and and by now I've been doing it. Even I suggest you even you guys should give it a try. It's not that bad. Some of the developments I've done. Do you know the Angry Bird game and the T-Rex game? I've created them both. I've rebuilt it them. The T-Rex game. It's an offline game. When there's no network, even then you can play. You should give it a try. What do you guys think? Is coding the future? Yes, it is. Definitely it is. If we don't have a coding language, we don't have a digital future. Can you guys even imagine that? Here's a fun fact. People have more electronic devices than toothbrushes. Just imagine that thing. So people need to start learning coding language and start making new games and apps. So during this pandemic, people like us have been using these devices so much. Students or the adults are doing the work through these devices. Do you know some kinds of coding language? Here's the form of coding language. C++. It's the basics of it. JavaScript. I'm doing that now. Python and Ruby. And there are hundreds of more. Things you can create from coding. A game or a mobile software or a web browser like Netflix and Amazon. Various platforms you can do it from. Do you know White Hat Junior? I'm a student of that. Byju's, the learning app. Udemy and Khan Academy. Have you heard Coursera? It's an international website. There are various courses you can do it. So thank you. This is from my side. Any questions from your side?
If you have questions, you can ask him.
No questions.
Hello.
Any question?
Hello.
Hello.
No, ma'am.
Thank you very much. Can you hear me?
Yes.
No, ma'am.
Thank you, Satvik. It was very nice. He's class 8 student and he's given such a nice presentation. He is doing coding right now. आप एक थोड़ा सा कोई अपना गेम जो डेवलप किया सात्विक, can you show them a demo
Yes.
of that?
Okay. I'll give you the link. You guys can also play that.
अभी सात्विक बिंदल will give you a link जिससे आप you can check for those links yourself on the Google, and you can start your own gaming sites, or yeah, you can develop your own codings or game. These are the companies he's referring to जहाँ से आप coding कर सकते हैं. हाँ,
So the chat is disabled. Can you just?
I've enabled it.
Okay, thanks. So here's the link. I've created this game. You guys can play it. It's a soccer game.
You can share on the screen.
Okay, yes, I'm sure. Can you guys see my screen?
Yeah.
So this game is being developed by Satvik himself. और आप भी कोई, you have to be motivated and inspired to do anything. अब वो class 8 के student है, he is able to do it. From class 4th, 5th onward, anybody can do the coding.
Yeah.
Any questions?
So have you guys tried the game?
So thank you very much, Satvik. It was
Thank
a
you,
nice initiative by your side, and it is
Thank
good.
you, ma'am.
Video को.
किसी को कुछ क्वेश्चन पूछना है, आप हिंदी इंग्लिश किसी लैंग्वेज में पूछ सकते हैं. Any child wants to ask anything?
No.
Hi, Satvik. Hello,
Hi, ma'am.
everyone.
Hello, ma'am.
It's a very nice game and it's a really good thing to you are initiating. Good going.
Thank you, ma'am.